Hey guys, it is Kelly. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping by. If you are returning, thank you. Your time is always appreciated. So next video in my 30 days of videos is I'm in Bali right now, if you don't know. I will do a little link from my Bali series. I'm spending 6 months here. I have another month left. I can't believe it's only a month left. But I'll be back. It's okay, I'll be back. So we went to SOS Children's Villages. Awesome, incredible organization. And I went with a few of my friends. We hopped on our scooters and it was about an hour away. Awesome time. So I was like, what can we do that's pretty affordable that the kids could kind of have and maybe recreate when we weren't around. So I thought about this game I used to watch on TV. I think it was from the States. It's called Minute to Win It. So it was pretty simple games, and some of the stuff that we had to buy were really inexpensive. So it was mostly just balloons and those beer. All I know is the beer drinking cups. You know, those plastic squishy cups, the solo cups. So yeah, they're called Minute to Win It games. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Google it because they're hilarious. You can play them at your parties. Super fun. Kids love them. Adults love them. Drinking, anything, anytime goes. But the kids love them. So then, we left the cups, we left the balloons, we brought some candies and stuff. But it was so awesome. I may have only cried once or twice. It was super exciting. So if you ever have the opportunity, definitely I would go. So enjoy the rest of the video.
You know what? It's okay. As long as they feel the pain.
Juara tiganya kelompok 1 dan yang keempat kelompok 4. Oke, untuk kelompok 1 sampai 4 silahkan ke arah Kelly dan Fanny untuk melanjutkan ke tiga.
Goyang.
super fun, right? Oh my god. So the games were hilarious. The kids were like so thankful and just like respectful, and they all like met us when we first got there to say hi and welcome, and then when we left they all said thank you and they all shook our hands. It was like just an awesome experience. The workers there showed us around the houses, sat down, had a little chat with them. Just overwhelming, amazing experience. Alright guys, so I'm going to end this one here. Thank you so much for watching, and until tomorrow when my YouTube challenge continues. Thanks guys.